method to increase libido in men.
And low libido in men causes and methods to increase. Dealing with low libido in men and having less interest in sex can be extremely challenging. As men age, we begin to notice changes both in and around us. Some of these are good. We advance in our careers, find ourselves more comfortable with who we are, and generally have a lot to be proud of. However, others are less than ideal. For example, not always being on the same page with our partner when the time comes to be intimate. This is perfectly natural. However, between work, home, family, and all other manner of daily life stressors, we can't be too hard on ourselves for not always having the bandwidth to rise to the occasion when the time comes. However, if you personally found yourself in a prolonged pattern of just not feeling up to the task, you may be dealing with a loss of libido. Don't worry though. There are several treatments for low libido in males that we can pursue, and most of them are perfectly natural. As we get older, our biologist and lifestyles shift, and sometimes we need a gentle reminder to get them back on a positive path. Of course, there are some things that can affect your libido that are unavoidable, like prescription medications. Also, it's important not to confuse low libido in men with erectile dysfunction. We'll start with some of the basics. Common ways to increase low libido in men. When it comes to treatment for decreased libido in men, it's best to start with those that are most simple. 1. Eating aphrodisiacal fruits like figs, bananas or avocados. 2. Taking supplements like Yohimbe or Ginkgo giloba. 3. Limiting alcohol to 1 glass of wine at dinner. 4. Increasing your sleep. 5. Consulting a medical professional who may recommend testosterone therapy. Medical diagnosis may be required to determine and treat the root causes of low libido in men, because the truth of the matter is, a loss of libido is typically caused by multiple factors rather than just one. Sometimes, small adjustments to your daily routine aren't enough to overcome it. That's when it might be time to take more drastic measures that require more effort but are still completely natural. Incorporate more exercise to help lower your blood pressure and weight. Adjust your diet to one that is low in fat and high in protein. Pursue individual and/or couples counseling to build up the other aspects of your relationship. What we're talking about here are more permanent lifestyle changes which, yes, require a higher level of planning and commitment. However, the benefits are compounded because you won't only be fighting that lack of libido, you'll be living an overall more healthy life, which will bring its own positive health benefits.